same eyelet. Okay, now we are going to move on to the brass brad. This is a brass brad, and this is what your journals, or not your journals, your folders have that you spread apart. Okay, so it's made out of brass, which is a type of metal. Okay, so we are going to connect one end to the other end and fill in that gap. And this is what it looks like. So there's our gap filled and the bulb is on. Okay, the next one is hand sanitizer. So we are going to see, so water was a conductor, right? So we're going to see if hand sanitizer is also going to be a conductor. So I'm going to do the same thing I did with the water. I'm going to put my paper clip in there because we know that's a conductor. Put it all the way down into the hand sanitizer. And I'm going to use this again. So I'm going to put one finger down, making sure I'm not touching that paper clip. I'm going to hold on to the side and then touch. And if it touches and goes off, it's a conductor, just like water. Okay, so it is a conductor. Who knew? I didn't know that. Okay, now aluminum foil. So this is what we tried when we folded it and put it in the water to see if it would sink or float. What you would cover up food to keep it warm. So we're going to fill the gap with this. And see what it does. Alright, so you can see here is our foil and the light is on. Scoot this out a little bit. You can see the whole circuit. Okay, let me take that apart. And now we are moving right along to the bobby pin. So you might not know what a bobby pin is, but it's a little hair thing. And you put it in like here to keep your hair up. So it's kind of like a barrette, but not. Okay, so it is kind of metal. They come in different colors. This one is kind of a browny brass color. So I'm going to attach that to my gap, and let's just see what happened. Okay, so we have the light bulb right here. That's the brad, or not the brad, that's the bobby pin. Alright, now we have our face mask. So I'm going to, this is my face mask that I wore today. Okay, so I'm going to attach that to my gap. And this is just made out of cloth, like cotton. Okay, so there's my gap that I filled in. My bulb, not on. Okay. Remember, if the light bulb comes on, it is a conductor, and if it doesn't come on, that means that whatever you filled the gap with would be an insulator. Alright, this is the projector remote. So I am going to put it on each side of the battery and we'll see what it does. Okay, so here we have the remote filling in the gap, and the light is not lighting up. Okay, next we have a water bottle. Okay, so here's my water bottle. Okay, and I am going to get my water bottle where it will sit on top of the two ends. Okay. And it doesn't light up. Okay. Now watch what happens whenever I close this gap and they touch. Do you see that? Okay. So as long as we have something here that's a conductor, the electrons are going to be able to go through. All right. Our last thing that we're going to try is a stapler. So this is actually silver right here. And we will try this silver. And we'll put it, attach it. Okay. So the gap is right here and the bulb is not on. Okay, so if we open it up though, let's see what happens. So if we were to open it up like this, would it be a conductor? So we'll try. Don't know what's going to happen, but we'll try. Alright, let's see what I can hook it to. Oh, look at this. Look what we have here. So I open it up